Another beautiful day here in Denver. Got a compressor I gotta go swap out and a fan motor. Gonna go see how that goes. It should be pretty good. It's a little R22, little split system. Not a little commercial space, but I got the little 3-ton Bristol split R22. They didn't want to do the condenser and coil. They just wanted to repair the compressor, which is fine. We can do that. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead into. Got about an hour drive over there, so we'll tune in here in a minute. You guys have a wonderful day. Rock and roll. You guys know this one. Parts House Shuffle. Loading up. Got my fan motor, got my compressor. Pretty much ready to rock. Boom. There, boy. In there. Da 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 da. Ooh, starting to get a little toasty out here. Getting my oxygen bottle nice and freshly hooked up. Alright. Let me grab my nitros. Yeah, man, don't play. Don't play. I'm a beast. You gotta be a beast to do this job, you know what I mean? All the techs out there, shout out to you guys making it happen, you know what I mean? If it wasn't for us, ain't no one gonna be cool. Oh man, knocked my phone over, look at that. No one's gonna be cool, you know? They'll be cool, but they're not gonna be cool. Alright, I'm gonna load up, get the rest of my shit, and we're gonna get this compressor underway. Got all my friggin' packed up filters. I hate filters. Whatever. All part of the gig, right? While I'm waiting, I'm gonna get this fan motor swapped out. Get my bigger wrench. So little. Careful not to bend the fan blade. Loosen up your set screw. Hit it down just a little bit. Just tap it down. Grab some sanding cloth, sand that. That up real nice and it'll just slide right off. Save this. Let's go work in the shade. One thing you want to make sure with fan motors, the one that's in there is a 0.6 amp. You can go over 0.2 amps, 0.2, 0.3. Your horsepower, you want to make sure that it's close. This one is a 10th, this is an 8th, so 208, 230. Make sure that you always get the right one. Double check in the parts house too, because a lot of times they give you the wrong one. Or I've seen motors in different boxes too. Alright. I like to take these off. I had problems where these things get caught and they start rubbing. Alright. So you can use 3 wires. You can use these 3, just these 3, and then bounce your cap off to your contactor. Or you can put the 2 browns to the contactor. And then these 2 to the cap, and these 2 to the contactor. So pretty much just basic wiring 120. This little one works really good for this. Little booger. And then usually these caps won't fit on the new ones unless you cut the bolts perfect. But why do that? Just use the nut that they supply. Fill the oil out of it. Make sure you remove your drain plug. If you mount it up, remove the other one. If you mount it down, remove this one. So we're going like that. So this drain plug is going to stay in. That one's going to come out. Very important. That's the life of the motor right there. Some weird ass noise. You don't need your ground. The unit's grounded. If the unit wasn't grounded, you could use that, but it makes no sense. Alright. They didn't give me any nuts. That's crazy. Alright, let me grab some nuts. You can try to cut these smaller, but they didn't give me any nuts in there. It's crazy. Luckily, I'm a little hoarder. So I got 2 for these, and these ones are already locked. Change out the cores too. I think this is a 7/16 for the nut driver. Alright, one more. Try to tighten them as much as you can like this. This one doesn't want to go, it's a little blubber. There we go. Just that first little bit. Now I'll show you what I do with these. Grab my channel. Save these caps in case you ever need them. Getting a pinch. So throwing garbage away. Still recovering. Getting there. So I got the new fan motor done. I'm going to cut this here in a second once I unplug my recovery. I got to eat some lunch. That's the new compressor. Same lineup. So I'm going to unsweat, change the dryer out. See all the head warp on that bad boy. So, same plug. Then I'm going to clean the coil. I'm going to take the whole thing apart, and actually I'm going to take the whole thing apart and clean it. That's what I'm going to do. So I'll get back with you guys in a sec. Alright, got the whole thing apart. Gonna brush all this garbage off, and I'm gonna hit it with some coil cleaner and a little rinse. While this is still pumping down, 14 pounds, 26 psi. So nice, get to work next to the van. That's cool. So rock and roll. I'm gonna get cleaning. Alright, so sweated out the old compressor. I'm gonna cut this, make it real nice. This one's still okay, but I'm still gonna cut it right here. And there's the new one in there. I'm gonna clean all this up real quick. I got a dustpan in the van, and then we'll get the new one brazed in. Should have some nitro in here. Good. And we'll grab some pliers to grab that one. So we'll get this brazed in, and then we'll get back. Alright, nitrogen going in. Checking my work. No bubbles, no bubbles. Good. Nope. Thing looks good. No bubbles. So, got a nice smooth bend going in. Just did a 45. Cut that one piece out. That one I just re-sweated in. That one came out okay. So, now that we're all nitroed, I'm going to get it on the vacuum pump here. And then we'll get it all charged up. And then I'll get a video of that while it's running. Cool. Alright, that was a cool one. Fan motor, compressor, capacitor. I'm going to hit on this, but it's alright. That's alright. What are you going to do? Nothing you can do. You know? So now the long drive home, but they're back up and cooling, and that's all that matters. That's our job. We provide good service, clean service, and try not to get callbacks. So you guys have a wonderful day. It's about to storm over here, so I'm gonna get home and get me some food with the wife. You guys rock and roll. Take care.